What is up, Tress Troop? It is Tress to Impress, and I am Biggity B-A-C-K back with another video. And today's video is sponsored by Yanni Best. Yanni Best, thank you so much for sending me hair bonnets that are absolutely perfect for the summertime, aka braid season. I just got the longest braids that I have ever had, and the bonnets that I have ordered from Yanni Best are perfect for maintaining these braids and sleeping at night. If you have ever had boho braids or bora braids, then you know that the curly hair can be difficult to maintain and it can tangle easily. Stay tuned if you want to see this amazing bonnet that I am using to maintain these braids. Let's get into this packaging and these beautiful words of affirmation. Wake up and be radiant. Yanni Best gets an A+ for the packaging and the presentation from me. Let's get into this box. Everything is wrapped up with plastic so that it stays secure in shipping. So I loved that, and I am loving these braids. If you are interested on the full details on these braids, the video is already posted. It includes the maintenance, the install, a discount code for the hair, and how I prep my natural hair for the braids. Get into this beautiful foil writing on this box. And then we have this beautiful soft pink satin scrunchie with the matching satin bonnet. The bonnet is reversible, so there's a soft pink side and a black side, and it is adjustable, y'all. I love me a good adjustable elastic band. My daughter has a hair bonnet that has the adjustable elastic band in it, and I have been wanting one so badly. As you can see, my braids are entirely too long to fit underneath this bonnet, but this bonnet is perfect for my natural hair once I'm wearing it again. The scrunchie comes in super handy while I'm wearing these braids. I keep it with me at all times, either on my wrist or in my purse. It's very convenient to be able to pull my braids back out of my face, especially considering that I have a 1-year-old baby girl to take care of. So I need to be able to get these super long braids out of my face at any time. And the satin protects my braiding hair from becoming matted and tangled. Also included is this card insert that has information about the product and the care instructions. The bonnet is decked out with a patent pending unique size adjustment system by Yanni Best. For care, the bonnet is to be hand washed, or it can be machine washed on a delicate cycle. It can be flat dried or hung to dry without clothespins. The clothespins can warp the satin material. Also, there's a note about removing excess water in the washing process to wrap the product in a towel and squeeze the towel rather than wringing out the bonnet, because that can also warp the fabric. I love the fact that care instructions are included, because there's nothing that I hate more than having a great product and then I ruin it by not washing it and drying it properly. And child, now I have to get rid of the entire product. So on to the next box. There is a second box and a second product. And y'all, I am so super stoked about this product because I love the color earth tones. They are just really giving on another level, especially with melanated skin. Really, with any skin color, earth tones are going to pop and just really give you that radiant look. This bonnet is extra long, so it's perfect for braids. It has the branding tag on the outside, but it's very small. It also has an extra long elastic band that can be tied in the front in a bow. So I am going to show you guys how I install this bonnet to care for these braids. First, I start by banding my hair with the satin scrunchie. I actually discovered that the maintenance of this extra long curly braiding hair was improved by me putting several elastic bands down the full length of my hair. After that process, I go ahead and put all of my hair into the bonnet and pull the bonnet up over my edges And y'all, it was so comfortable. It actually made my braids feel lighter because my braids are a little bit longer than the bonnet. So it was able to alleviate some of the weight of the hair. And I'm so super obsessed. The elastic fabric that wraps around the edges of the hair is very comfortable, very soft. It did not pull at my edges in any way. So I felt like my real hair was extremely protected. The only thing that I would change about this product is the airflow through the fabric itself. So I did feel like my head got a little bit hot at times underneath this bonnet, and I would like for the fabric to be a little bit more breathable. The good thing about this product is I was able to untie the bow and pull the elastic band back off of my head, and it's still secure enough to not completely fall off of my head. That way my scalp could breathe and my hair was still protected. So I did not have any issue with simply pulling the bonnet back off of my head to allow the airflow and the heat to release. Overall, I give these products an 8 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and head over to Yanni Best for your hair products. Check down in the description box below for all of the information on how to order the products that you just saw me use in this video and so much more. I'll see you guys in the next video. For more information on the braid install and the high quality human hair that was used for this braid install, then check out my YouTube channel, Tress to Impress, for a full video.